Morning.
Any questions? And then that comes up and you're ready to go.
Okay.
Good. A lot of them will automatically do it. This one, you have to manually.
That's okay.
How do you feel? Better?
Yeah, still like a noob.
It's okay. Important, Crystal. And make sure your plugs are in.
Yeah.
Here's the neat thing. Ready?
Yeah.
We're going to go slow.
Okay.
We're going to take this. Go ahead and put it in the bottom. Click into place.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Always keep this pointed down.
Yeah.
Now at this
Keep
point,
your finger off the trigger.
Top, like a dirty diaper. Pull straight back and let go. It's loaded. See, this came up?
Yes.
It's telling you, I'm loaded. I've got a bullet in me. I'm ready to go.
That's so subtle.
Never keep that finger until you're ready. Yes.
Thumb's got to line up.
She can't.
There. No gap. Gap around. Straight, bent. When you've gotten to your face, I want you to hit that X, okay? But when you squeeze, it's gentle. Super. No.
Okay, the shoulders forward.
Yeah.
You want to put your shoulders over your knees. And gentle. 1,
My eyes are
2, relax. The first one will be,
okay.
Go ahead. Gentle. Look at that.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Her first desk pop.
That's cool.
Dance over the top.
Shoulders forward.
Like you're leaning. There you go. And then on top of it,
Yeah.
everything's rested on your front foot.
Yes.
Good. Gentle when you squeeze. Don't jerk it. Nice and slow. You can't pull it slow enough.
Beautiful.
Okay?
Ooh.
I get so hard at
Yes,
six.
you are.
Once you get 6, I mean, for me, for my lack of arm strength, like it's so difficult.
So if you want to, we can walk down there. Just go ahead and leave your magazine there. We'll walk down and I'll take it. We'll show you what you've done. One thumb or two. There you go. Forward, left, ready to fire. Wrap that left hand around the other, and you want a good firm grip. Straight, slightly bent. There you go. You really want to pull that left one in to keep it from recoiling. And take your
Is that under the X?
just under. You're still in the 10 inch. Just back. You drop that one. I'll take the shot. Feet together. So it's just like half a step forward. So from there, and then you go there,
Yeah.
there.
Chest forward.
Good. No gap. Good firm grip. Squeeze with just your feet. Nice and slow. There. There you go. Do it again. I'm going to watch over your shoulder this time. Upper right. Remember, if it goes down your shirt, don't let me get it out. Nice and slow. Right.
Do not prepare.
And slow.
They're quarter piece.
Muscle-wise, it feels like I'm losing this off. I'm getting this one power.
That's why I have to shoot shots. How are you feeling?
Sweaty.
Other than that,
How are your nerves?
My nerves are fine. My body
not
is sore.
anxious. Your hands aren't shaking.
No. I
There's
feel
no emotion.
adrenaline.
Okay, good. Adrenaline's what I want to hear.
yeah, actually.
Good. Good on your stance. That was X.
Yeah? I felt good.
Yes, ma'am.
loosened this hand.
Finger away from the trigger.
All the time in the world. It's here, and then when you go to draw, it's here. It's the same every single time. So you go to draw, and 3 seconds, right?
Me, don't bring my head to the
Gun to your head. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that is just such a. Hey, you're like, it's a long amount of time. I'm like, I don't know where my gun's aiming.
That's okay. You're going to keep doing it. Muscle memory. That's not her gun.
3, 3, 2, 1. Right below it.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2. Same spot.
Do it again, yeah.
So come up just a little bit.
Okay, to the line above.
Tight, but right at the top of the diamond. Okay. 3, 2. Same spot.
Yeah. Grip with this. This here. This one.
Grip with the palm.
Yeah, with this arm.
There you go. 3, 2.
Because this time I held it in place.
How does it feel?
Heavy. Look good.
Yeah, no problems?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So we're going to go load your stuff.
Okay.
You got both your mags?
Yes. Okay.
But this right here, this is really good. And you know that on your first 2 magazines, this is what you were doing. As you started getting a little more fatigue, they started opening up.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That makes sense.
Fatigue is a big deal. This is good. Doesn't matter which way it went. If it was 1, 2, 3, perfect. You've never had any. You've had no certification. This literally is perfect. This is how I teach all day long. I wish my other students would do this well, but they shoot like this.
Yeah.
I'm very proud. On your second one, if you could actually
Here.
highlight over
Wait.
these,
Yeah.
you can actually see through them.
Okay, yeah.
Look at your patterns. You're literally going through it.
Yeah.
So
That's
Pattern.
very unheard of for a new person.
for a newbie, literally, you're doing it. Don't ever let anybody tell you otherwise. Especially not him.
Especially not me. I was waiting for it. I'm glad you said it.
Woohoo! Well, Mama wanted some caffeine. Daddy got a smoothie, and Puppy's got little pup cups. They're happy. Are y'all happy? Look at that whipped cream all over Sassy's lip. I think they're happy. That was a good coma treat, huh? Yeah? That was a good coma treat? Good coma? Good. Got Sassy Bear got a good treat. Got a Weird Bear got a good treat. And Rocco's looking for a place to go potty, but he had a treat too. I am going... The journal, yay. Oh my goodness, I wish my phone had a better camera. Look at that dog. He is climbing trees, hunting for lizards. What a good boy. Wow. Oh, I'm so proud of him. I'm proud of Sassy because she's staying by me. And I'm proud of Wade Bear because she's the best good girl in the whole wide world. She's like, duh. That was a good boy, Rocco. Oh, I'm sore.
Yeah. Don't forget to drink lots of water.
Yeah, the kayaking and the gun range.
That was pretty badass. I wasn't even jealous that I didn't get to shoot. I wasn't even the slightest bit jealous. And the smell of gunpowder really brought me back to life.
Get it?
Oh, yeah.
The only reason I didn't bring my yoga mat is because I didn't think I'd have room. And we don't.
We don't. We got too much other shit in there. I would not have let you brought it.
I keep feeling like I'm starting my period and then I haven't.
There's still like fucking 200 people here.
It doesn't stay open till midnight for nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, get it, Rocco! Wow, he's so fast. Squeak it, squeak it, squeak it, squeak, 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 squeak. Oh, oh, I get it. Oh, I get it. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. Ready? 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 Go! Oh, he's so fast.
Good boy, son. Yeah, come here, let me see it. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, come here. On my leg. Yeah, turn around. Ready? Stay steady. Stay steady. Ready?
Yes. Oh, come on. Oh, good boy. Oh, I got it. I get that down. Shake it. Oh, yeah.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
Ooh.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Drop it.
Shake it, like a
Drop it.
Polaroid picture.
Good. Sit, sit.
Ready?
Sit, sit. Go get it. Oh, good boy. Yay, we're making tacos again tonight. But this time we got some leftover tortillas from my dad's dinner last night. And then over here we got rice and some sprinkled cheese. We got some charro beans, salsa. And this is yesterday's leftovers. So we got a little bit of black beans and some leftover rice and stuff too. The meat tonight is ground lamb, but I told him I don't think I want any. And so that's why I got the carrots and veggies and stuff for me, so he can have more meat and I can have more veggies. Oh my goodness, are we recording each other?
I was trying to see you be cute, but
Instead you saw me. Mwah! He got a fire going. So yeah, and we got a light up in the tree. Wow. I may have the best man ever.
You may have kidnapped the best man ever.
I did. Looks so good. Look at all this food. You happy?
Singing. She's singing. I know she's happy. Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is my taco. His is almost gone.
Mm-hmm.